Hello, my name is Shelly Skyker, and I'm very pleased to have found the well for the journey. And I'm very excited to present there October 1st a workshop entitled Mindful Play in Motion, an Introduction to the Feldenkrais Method. We will be exploring small, gentle, and slow movements with awareness to find both ease in body and mind with the functional movement of sitting. We do spend some time sitting in our chairs, and really slowing down to attend to these parts of ourselves can help us to play with curiosity and find an awareness of our patterns and where we might let go of extra effort. So in that way, we do play with the curiosity of a young child exploring movement to find more ease. We'll talk a little bit about Moshe Feldenkrais, who was a physicist, an engineer, and a judo master, who also studied infant motor development in efforts to heal himself. And we'll engage in a little conversation after to see how this kind of work or play could lend itself to spirit. So I hope that you will join me October 1st to come and play with movement. I hope to see you there. Thanks so much.